Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make wine using banana. We will start by gathering our essential ingredients: ripe bananas, sugar, wine yeast, and water. It is crucial to sanitize all your equipment meticulously to prevent any unwanted bacteria from spoiling your batch. Next, prepare about 5 pounds of ripe bananas by peeling and slicing them. Then, boil these slices in 1 gallon of water to extract their rich flavors. After boiling, strain the banana liquid, ensuring all solids are removed. While the liquid is still warm, dissolve about 2 pounds of sugar into it, stirring until completely integrated. It is vital to cool this mixture down to approximately 70 degrees Fahrenheit before proceeding. Once cooled, introduce 1 packet of specialized wine yeast, which will kickstart the fermentation process. Now, carefully transfer your prepared mixture into a sanitized fermenter, leaving some headspace for activity. Securely attach an airlock to the fermenter to allow gases to escape while preventing oxygen from entering. Let the mixture ferment for approximately 2 to 3 weeks, observing the airlock for bubbling. After primary fermentation, rack the wine to a new container, leaving behind any sediment. Finally, siphon the clear banana wine into thoroughly sanitized bottles, being careful not to disturb any remaining sediment. Seal your bottles tightly with corks or screw caps to prevent oxidation. For the best flavor development, age your homemade banana wine for at least 6 months, or even longer. Serve it chilled and savor the unique taste of your handcrafted creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.